Your teacher just gave the super hard math problem on the first day of school. You stare at a clue, so you're wondering what to do first. Do you add? Nah. Multiply? Nah. Maybe you subtract? You subtract and instantly your teacher fails you. Why is that? You do the subtraction right, so there's no way you could have done it wrong. Should have added instead? Or multiply? The decision is too hard. Have no fear though, Learnscape is here to help save the day with the help of PEMDAS. PEMDAS is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This is the order in how you solve all types of basic math problems. Got that? In any problem, you do the parentheses first, exponents next, multiplication afterwards, and so on and so forth. Do you still not get it? Well, let me show you a couple examples. 2 times 2 minus 1. In PEMDAS, you notice that multiplication comes before subtraction. So in this problem, we do multiplication before subtraction. 2 times 2 equals 4, and 4 minus 1 equals 3, and that is your answer. Let's do another one. Open parentheses 2 minus 1, close parentheses times 1. You may be tempted to multiply by 1 first to that 1, but remember, parentheses is the first step in solving any type of math problem. So let us do the function inside of the parentheses first, which is 2 minus 1, which equals 1. Now, since we've solved the parentheses, we can then multiply that by 1 in order to get our final answer of 1. Let's do another one. 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. Now, you may want to do 2 times 2 first, but that is actually wrong. In PEMDAS, exponents comes before multiplication. Here, our exponents are 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Now, we multiply by 2 in order to get an answer of 8. Let's do 2 more. Open parentheses 3 plus 2 times 2, close parentheses to the power of 2. We do the parentheses first, like in PEMDAS says, and inside the parentheses, you notice another function. And here, PEMDAS still applies. PEMDAS always applies no matter what. And here we see 2 times 2 is a multiplication problem, and multiplication comes before addition. So we do 2 times 2, which equals 4, and then 4 plus 3, which equals 7. And now since we've solved the parentheses inside, we can then take that to the power of 2. So 7 to the power of 2 is also the same as 7 times 7, which equals 49. Let's do one more. Open parentheses 4 times 8 plus 2 divided by 2, close parentheses to the power of 1 divided by 2. Let's do the parentheses inside first. Multiplication comes before division, so let's do the multiplication first. 4 times 8, which is 32. Now let's do division. 2 divided by 2, which equals 1. 32 plus 1 equals 33, and 33 to the power of 1 equals 33. And now 33 divided by 2 equals 33 over 2, or 16.5. Let me give you an on your own problem. The answer will show up after a couple seconds, but make sure to pause the video and give it a try. Did you get an answer? Well, here's my work, and here is the answer to the problem, and hopefully you got the same answer. If you have a question, please let me know in the comments down below. Well, hopefully you guys were able to learn the most basic rule in math. If you guys enjoyed it, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe for more future videos. Thanks for watching.